a Commvault media agent slash file server. It's on the same box. It's a Windows server. We're going to set up the Windows media agent and file server on the same box. So let's get started. You're on the Commvault ComCell. You see the Commvault browser there. Okay, let's click on. We're going to click on Tools at the top here, and since we're installing software, we're going to do Add Remove Software. We're going to click on Install Software. I'm going to say select Next, Windows, manually select computers. We're going to import from Active Directory. Okay. Select the media agent. Put in the credentials. Select what package is to install. Select it as a Windows client group. Next. Since the Windows firewall has already been disabled, we're going to not check that. And push next. Okay. Install folder. We are going to leave this as we're going to put this actually in E drive like before. Okay. Oh, I believe we named the folder Commvault, I believe. Okay. We're going to leave these all blank default. Next. And we're going to run that job immediately. And let's see. Okay, and we're going to finish. We're going to start the install. Click on Job Controller, see the process, see the progression. Looks like the installation of the software is in progress. We're going to come back when it's finished. Okay, fantastic. Our installation is complete. It's going to put a client there, so that's the client right there now. See that? And it's going to have a file system, right? As well as a media agent under storage resources and media agents. So we're going to see that as well. Should propagate here in a second. Click on View and refresh. Okay, good, excellent, outstanding. So our installation is complete.